I'm very happy that I came here because they have an amazing structure to actually make you a teacher. 3 weeks ago, I did not believe that I was going to be able to teach. And I just finished teaching a class and I felt very confident and very secure in myself. And I would not have been able to get this much of faith in myself if it wasn't for the teachers. They really take their time with you. They really support you and bring out the best in you. Ram has an incredible sense of humor. It's honestly one of my favorite subjects, and he knows so much. He answered many questions of people, and he's very, very entertaining. He can tell great stories. I couldn't get enough of his stories. My overall experience, I want to say that it's not an easy experience because there are some hard moments. They really put you to the test and you have to stay committed. It's strict, but you'll be a teacher in the end of it, and you'll be grateful for the experience.
I came to this ashram on a path of self-discovery, and I actually found a little bit more of myself here. It was a really good experience. The teachings were so great. You know, we had Ram, his philosophy classes were amazing. The asana classes also great. We had Omkar. I'm amazed how much I learned in the asana classes, how much improvement I made for my self-practice. Yeah, we also had anatomic class from Kalyani. It brought me more sense to what yoga actually means, to the skeleton system, to the muscular system, how things interconnect. Things make more sense to me now. Yeah, all in all, it was just amazing. I can recommend it to everybody.
Here when I arrived, I felt really relaxed because it's in the middle of nature, in the countryside, so it was a very peaceful place, and for me it was the perfect place to be able to focus and study really intensively. I really loved the walks we had on the morning or on the evening. We see the sunset and the sunrise every day. It's something I really like, so for me it was a real pleasure and something also we needed for the body to move. I really don't regret doing this.
The thing I like the most about being in the ashram is that you can really have the focus, and it's really nice to be together with all like-minded people who wants to learn everything about yoga, being a yoga teacher. The teachers are amazing. They are really dedicated to get the best out of you. Ram, he has so much knowledge. His philosophy classes are really enjoyed being in there, and it's so interesting, and I really want to know even more. The anatomy classes of Kalyani, they were so interesting. It really helps you to understand how your body is working and the movements you need to make, but also the corrections you need to do during the classes. So that was really good to have a little bit more understanding about the anatomy of the body and all the information that comes along with that.
I applied for this yoga ashram because I wanted to learn more yoga and also for the experience to get to know myself more in depth. I feel like I've found my voice as a yoga teacher. First of all, I really like the yoga or the asana classes. They are a really nice way because there's a lot of information at the course in the theory. So just moving our bodies at the asana with the Omkar was really fun. And when it comes to the theory classes and yoga philosophy, we had Ram, and he's very, very intelligent. Philosophy can be hard to explain and talk with words. So I really liked his way of teaching because he has a lot of stories and metaphors, so it's possible to actually understand big concepts with these small things that he uses when he talks. I think he has really actually inspired me to also bring this kind of a lifestyle with me back home. So yeah, I'm I'm happy.